So hi guys, welcome to this new video of Divatin. My name is Divyanshu Dev. Today we are going to learn how to create a realistic lipstick in Photoshop. So let's get straight into the Photoshop. So guys, if you want to go ahead and follow along, check the link in description. So let's get started. Here in this image you can see the image of lady, and in this image we have to add a lipstick over her lips. As I think she have forgotten to apply lipstick over her lips. So the first step is to have a solid color adjustment layer through tapping over this adjustment layer and then clicking over this solid color adjustment layer. Choose the color which you want to apply over her lips. So click OK. And now what you have to do is change the blend mode of this layer to multiply. As we know, multiply darkens, and now as we know that we already get a mask free with any adjustment layer. So in this we are having this mask, and in this mask white color is painted inside this mask. As we know that white color shows and black color hides, so we only want these colors on the lips of her. So firstly we will remove all the colors from whole of the image. So what we will do is we will apply this black color over the image inside this mask. So for that we have to select black color as the foreground color and then press Alt backspace, and this takes away all the colors from the area, and then again press X to toggle between this color. So as you can see, when I am pressing the X, here the color are changing from background to foreground. So have white color and paint over the area though you want to be colored. So I want the lips to be colored. So here with the hardness at 0. Okay, let's zoom inside the image, and now what we have to do is we have to paint inside this image. So let's do this first. Okay, so paint properly. Okay, so here you first cover the outlines. So what we will do here is firstly we will cover the lower lips and then the upper lips. Okay, we will handle one at a time, so that will be more easier for us. So I am making this process fast forwarded, so let's see how I do it. So what I actually now do is I reduce the opacity of it, and now I will erase its border and maintain the sharpness at the corner of the lips. So I will take black color and then maintain all of these extras, or take away all of these extra. So it is done here. Here you can see it's done, but it is applied over all the area of the lips. But since we have multiplied, means we have darkened this color, I only want this in the darker area of the lips. So for now we will apply blending over this image, as we only want this effect to be added only over the darker area of the lips, since this color is dark. So for that we have to double click over this right side of the layer, and now we are seeing here is the blended. This is the region of the blended. Here there are some of the sliders. Now what these sliders are. So now what we have to play with is this underlying layer. So now what underlying layer is? So please simply understand this concept. So the range, this shows this distance between these both scroller are the range of the color. This represents all the darker pixels, this represents all the gray pixels and all the brighter pixel, or you can say this is the mid tones. So we want this, where do we want this effect? Now this effect is over whole image. Over whole image this effect is. So this range cover whole whole of the area. So now what we have to do is to limit it in the darker area of the lips. So for that what we have to do is we have to drag it from the right side and take it to the left. As now we see that it is too harsh. So to make it soft, what we have to do is click Alt and add some of the distance. Okay, so this looks nice, and add more of these. Now we have to cover the brighter pixels. Means now this effect or this color is not applied to the brighter area of the image. So now we have to add a brighter area. What we will do for that is we will add the similar color, but we will apply screen blend mode, due to which, as we know, screen brightens. So here we will take the similar layer, press Ctrl Command J. What it does is it copies the similar layer. We will make some of the changes, such as we will change blend mode to multiply. Not multiply. We will change blend mode to screen, and then what we will do is now we will change some of the blended setting here. We are having the old blended setting. We are having the old blending setting which we had done for that dark color. So this is also now applied over the dark region of the lips. But what we want here is, this is a bright color. So we want this color in the bright side of the lips. So we want these areas. These areas represent the bright side or bright pixels of the lips. So take it away from the dark area of the lips. As you can now see that this is too much harsh. So press Alt and then click over this, and this will break it into two slider and drag it away. Okay. So for me this is okay. I think you play with this slider, and then you will, when you think that you are satisfied with the result, then leave it. Okay. So now if you want this color more darker or more saturation you want in this color, so you have to, nothing you have to do, you have to just make the copy of this layer. So just like let me name these layers. So first this represents this is the color which represents the darker pixels or the dark colors. So let's name it dark areas. Okay. Yeah, okay. And this is the one for the bright area. So let's name it bright. The color which you want more, or the color of which you want more saturation. For now I want the dark color to be added. So we will press Ctrl or Command J, which makes the copy of the layer. Or you can do the thing here is, please click over this layer and drag it to this new icon, which will also make the copy of this layer. Okay. So now as you can see, it have been darkened too much, so let's reduce its opacity. So I think it is okay now. So let's group these. The lower lip is done, and now we will cover the upper lip. So let's group these color of the lower lip. So I have grouped, and now what we have to what I will do is I will add the color on the upper lip. So again we have to go with the same process, and for which first I will have solid color adjustment layer, and in that layer with the same color we will go and add this multiply, and again we will do the same thing, which is we will remove it out. This is the mask which represent in this mask. As you can see inside this mask, this is white color painted. So the area which are painted here, you can see the area which are painted white shows all this red color which is present out here. So when you paint black in it, it hides all. So with foreground color black, we will fill all the area of this canvas into black. So what that does is removes all the white color or this color fill layer one. So let's do that. So here now we will what we will do is we will paint over the area which we want to paint in the upper lips. So now let's paint with white color. Again we have to paint here. I am doing this roughly for this video purpose. You do it, please do it properly, okay? So I think it's done inside, and now I have to erase the extras. For that we have to, for changing the color, what we have to do, that shortcut is X. Press X, the color will change. So I pressed X. So now the foreground color is black, and now you can remove the color which you don't want in this image. So now I think it has been painted properly, and now we will do or repeat the similar steps again. What we will do now is we will since this is we have applied multiply over this layer, so we will limit it to the darker area of the lips. As you know, for that we have to apply blend, as I explained you before. So I will do the similar thing again. We have to limit it to the darker pixel of the lips, or the darker area of the lips. So as we know, this range represents all the pixels of this lips. So here as we have to limit it to this darker area, so we will drag this slider from the bright area to this dark area. So this much is the dark area, I think. This is hard. So press Alt. This will break it into two parts, and drag it now. Now drag it. Click OK when you are satisfied, and then we will repeat or do the similar step, which is press Ctrl or Command J and change the blend mode to screen. Blend mode to screen, and then as these are also have been limited to dark area. So to apply this over bright area, we have to again change the setting of the blend if. For that, double click over the right side of the layer, and now remove it. What we are doing now is we are removing it out from the darker pixels. So this is harsh, I think. So we can make it soft by breaking the sliders off, and for that we have to click Alt and then press over this slider with mouse, and then this slider have been divided into two parts. And now play with these settings. And now what I think is we have to change some of the setting from of the upper lip, from the blending of the darker layer. So it's almost done. Here, if you want darker color, more darker color in this lips, so press Ctrl or Command J for this darker color. As we have named inside this group 1, we had named dark area and bright areas. You can name it similarly in this group 2 or this for this upper layer. So that the color of this dark area is too much, so we will reduce its opacity to, I think, 20 is okay. 20 or 25 is okay here. So now you can see this whole image. If you are wondering how I did this, so see this. If you zoom inside this image and press Ctrl or Command 0, the image gets fit inside this canvas. So let's see all over. Let's first group this out. Okay. And as you can see now, this is the lower lip and this is the upper lip. So now you can see before and after. Look how realistic this is. So let's see, guys, what we have done till now. So this is the before and this is the after, my friend. So here I think I did it roughly, but you do it precisely. And please check the link of my PhD in description. So all of the thing which I did here is there in description, so you can download it through description. And as I said in the starting of the video, that you can download the image also from the description. So if you like this video, please like it, and if you don't like, please give it a dislike. Thank you.